to the second tutorial on this blogging by blogger.com, which is Google Blogger. So in this particular tutorial, I want to just do some sections that we did the last time. That's to complete the sessions and put it into tutorial. So mind you, this is the basics of blogging. I just want to let you know, for you to, after learning this thing, it's just basics. You can actually do it actually and start creating something out of it. But this is the basics. So because if we're going to go into advanced blogging, you will discover that what we are going to be using a tool like Blogger called WordPress. So is that particular WordPress, like now this Blogger has a limited features. Here you can just be creating blogs. But when you go into WordPress, that's when you can use WordPress and create your e-commerce website, or you can use that particular WordPress and create a blog that a person can come and register. Then you get the form inside that particular blog, that's create an admin, all those things. Many of you that have used blog have actually managed a person blog can understand what I'm saying, but this is the basics. So I want to just complete everything. So this is my blog I will use. I can't use the one I created the other time, which is woman conference or food health. Sorry, I can't use it. The reason is because we have actually done many things here. So if I view it, this is where how we can where we are. So it's already done with. So I want to use this particular one, which is binary coding. So, and if I view this my binary coding, I'm going to get something like this, which is everything here is blank. So when I come here, I this thing now is landed me to this particular place. I can come here and should I discard? Okay, let me just discard it. Discard post. Okay, okay. I think we are good to go. Here I think I explained this particular place. This place is called posts. I think we did it the other time. Or okay, let me just do everything. This so I'm going to explain everything that is here. That's all this thing that is here. And the first thing, the first one we have to talk on is post. When you click your post, it's going to show you this particular thing if you have not actually created your post. But if you have actually created your post, you have to just leave it that particular way. So I mean, it's going to be this particular way, sorry. So if you want to create a post, just come here and click new posts. When you click new post, if you are conversant with Microsoft Word, okay, let me just do this thing to be what to be in a desktop view. I want to make it to be a desktop view. Just if you want to make it desktop, you come here, click this particular thing, it will mark. So this is the desktop view. In desktop view, you can what you can swing up and down. So and here is telling me to what to put in the title of my post. So I can type anything. Let me just say binary code. What is HTML? You can type any topic depend on your thing. So let me just come here now and create a new tab. I want to be using ChatGPT so that it can facilitate everything I'm going to be doing here. ChatGPT. Okay, let me just tell ChatGPT to write me what? Write me a sorry, what is happening? I'm using this particular what they call it. I'm using my phone so that I know most of the people use phone. Write me a short article about HTML. Okay, let's just click on publish. Now, what is happening? Write me a shortest article about HTML. Okay, let me copy this particular article now and is copy. Okay, let me come here and post it here. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Now, when I post this particular thing here now, sorry, I want to clear this particular heading. I have already put heading at what is HTML. Now, if you come, when you are posting, you discover that we have many things that are what, many tools that are here. Okay, let me just come here what and let me put, I think you can what sorry, you can put an what, you can put an image at this particular place. Let me just come here and come on. I can come here and what, put an image. You can put image, you can put photo. It says upload from what computer. Let me upload from my phone. Then you click browse through. It will what, it will show the images on your phone, at which you can select one. Let me just, it's wasting time. Okay, let me select this particular one, skit learn. Then you say done. Okay, our image is here. You can come down any place you want to what, you want to put an image, you put any image that you want. So I want to actually do another thing again. I want to show you can put a video. Actually, just click this particular place. This is your video, this is your picture, this is your video, this is your emoji in case you want emoji. I don't know how you guys pronounce, but emoji. Okay, so here is your alignment. If you want the alignment to be what, at the left, at the right, that's in the middle, sorry, all those things. If in case you want to add some lists, that's using this particular thing, you can create it and say yes. If you want to press enter, you write no. Okay, so all these things is what, go and do it. Learn Microsoft Word. I don't want to be wasting time here. Learn Microsoft Word, please. So learn it, learn it. So here, you know, bold, all those things. So but I want to say one thing again here, because in case you, in writing your article, you want to refer a person to what, to a particular website, or to what, another page of your what, blog. When you want to do it, you can come here. Let me say I want to make this HTML to be a link. You know, when you are reading some blogs, you discover that what, after you have what, after you have you are reading, you discover that what, there is something else that are there, which is what, you will be seeing links, text that has links. So when you click that link, it will take you to another place that will clarify you. Maybe I want to what, take people to another page that will clarify the person about HTML. All I have to do is to what, is to highlight this particular thing and then come here. When I come here, there is this particular arrow that is here now. Sorry. This particular arrow that is here, I mean, sorry, it's not arrow, but it seems like what, a circle something. When I click it, it will what, it will pop up this particular thing. So I can put a link here. That's it. It will direct a user to what, that link, html.com. Okay, then I can just click this, click this. The reason why you are clicking this thing is because you don't want it to be what, you don't want it to be what, in your blog. In case you have a blog link, you can use it. But what if you don't have it, this thing is going to be redirecting them to what, external link that is not on my blog. So I need to mark these two things. So when I mark it, if you check, it has turned to a link automatically. So is there any other thing that I need to put here? You can do all those other ones. So let's just click publish. Here you can put locations, but it's not necessary actually. Okay, so when we view our blog now, see, this is what we are going to see. Okay, this is our post. The first post, what is HTML? If you click read more, it's going to take the person to what, to this particular page where the person can read all those things as it is. So when a person is reading this particular thing, the person, where is that our link? Okay, sorry. If the person clicks this particular link, which is click this particular thing, it's going to take the person to what, to html.com, which is what we tagged it on that during our what, during our posting. So for you to tell you that, well, this link is actually working, this is a link and it's actually working. So this is the picture we uploaded. So when we come back, if we post another one will come and show and all that and all that. So let's try post another one. Okay, let's come new post. Okay, 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 CSS. You know how to use ChatGPT. I don't need to be teaching you how to use ChatGPT. You know how to use it. So use it. Use it. I mean, I'm talking about, not, don't use it to, I'm talking about in case you want to use it for practice. But if you want to write your post, I beg, go and do your research and write a good post. Don't go and start copying what is in ChatGPT. It will be somehow. In fact, Google can dictate it. That's another thing. Google can dictate it. So I want to, okay, you can know how you can add pictures. Let's come here. To add picture, come here, click on this and we'll scroll through. If you want to add video, use this one. Then I click this one, I say upload from my laptop, and what is happening? Okay, I want it to be at the first thing the person we meet. That's the picture. You click it, click this, upload from computer. Sorry. Then you click browse as anything, but it seems that network does not allow us to. Okay, let's do this. Should we choose the same thing? Yeah. Okay, that's it. Then we can click publish and click confirm. So when we view our blog, it's going to be what? It's going to be like this. So mind you, this is our default what? This is our default template for this blog we are using. This is our default template for this blog we are using. So don't uh, don't mind this template we are using now. So I come here. So this is how you can create posts. So if you want to monitor your posts, you can what? You can click on this stars and there note the number of views, the comment that are there, how your post is converting and all that and all that. So you can just click on this place to monitor your post, to know about your comment. You click this place, but before you go there is a place that is here. You can click this start here to view how your post is converting or how many person that has entered your site, or you click here to view people that has actually commented. So if any person comes and what, comment in any of these your posts, let's just say after reading, I say okay, let me post comment and say nice article, nice article, article, publish. Sorry. Okay, I have published one comment here. If I come here, I will view it, the thing will be here. Sorry, what is happening? Let's go to comments. No new comments. I have a new comment. Let me just go and see my post to know whether the post it has. Yes, like this. It's network. Okay. Yeah. I think we have everything in order now. So our comment has reflected. So, and if we come here and click on comment, it will show here. So nice article. So this is where you monitor your comments. Sorry, I click outside. Okay. So stars is where you monitor how your post and your web or your blog is doing. So when we click on earning, we discover that what is here is your AdSense. Your earning is your AdSense. So I normally tell people, if you create a new blog, just click on connect and leave it. So when you are going to when your blog gets AdSense, they are going to notify you to upload your details. That one is when you have gotten AdSense. So that's what we call a page here. And page here, when you go to many websites or many blog websites or even the Facebook that you are using, it does not have only just one page. If you come, you discover that is a place where you will click, you will see what is a home where every person can see post of every person you are following or every person you added as a friend. So, but if you want to view another place is called friend list, where you can click and where you can click and view the list of your friends, or where you can click and view your profile, or where you can click and view the profile of the person who is your friend or the person you saw the picture, or where you can click and go to a person's page. So that all those things I have listed now is a pages. They are different pages. They are not in one page. So and what they are of different URL. If you are using If you are using laptop, if you normally check this particular thing, this particular link that is here, you will discover that they are different. They are different. So if even as you can check now, you discover that this one is different from this blog page now is different from blog slash page. Just check it now. Blog slash pages. If I come here and click post, if I click post here, so if I come and view this particular URL now, which is the link, you discover that is slash post and not slash page. Likewise for other ones. So everything I'll be doing here is from going from one particular web page to another, one particular web page to another. So pages is in case you want to you have extra pages you want to add to your add to your blog, maybe contact us, about us, or anything that you can add to that particular page. You want to add all those things there, it is available for you in this blogspot. You can just create it, or you want to add a place where a person can come and see your products. That's the line of your products. You can do it here. So just come here and create a new page. That's by clicking in this particular place. You click new page, just click on new page, and it will bring out to you exactly this particular thing that is here. So let me just try and do something. Okay, let's see. My new page is my products. My products. Okay, before I come here, let me just do something. So let me delete this one. We're not going to be using it. Discard page. So if you come to this particular post, I'm doing it for those of you that are okay with web languages like HTML, CSS. If you are okay with it, this one is for you. If you are not okay with it, just do as you have been instructed. As what is called compose view and HTML view. This one we are viewing now is compose view. When you want to post your post, this is our compose view. But in our compose view, we don't have much what they call it, authority or control over our pages. So it's in HTML view that we have much control. This thing that is here, the same thing that is what? This is the main thing that is running our page. So this is the HTML languages that is all this place. So and what you can from here manipulate anything that you want to manipulate. You can add images from here. You can add a link from here. You can do all this. So far you know what how to operate on HTML code. In fact, if a person that is watching this particular tutorial, if you know about HTML, you know about all these things that is here. So I don't need to explain it. So I just want to show you before I go to what pages. So we are in pages. Let's create pages. So for you create pages, come here, click on this, and it will give you this page. I want to create the first page, which is called About Us. So the About Us page, let me just go and what? Let me go meet my ChatGPT, Mr. ChatGPT. Write me what? I have a what is happening? Okay, I have a clothes company. Write me about us page content for my website. You can talk anything, give am, it go give you. So just talk anything, give am, it go give you. Okay, let me just copy from here to here, or to here actually. Then let's know whether we can post this thing here. Waiting now, waiting. Sorry, let's just cancel most of all these things that are here. Okay, this thing is wasting my time. I need to leave it like this. So this is what is going to be on our page. And in what here, who is calling me? Sorry. Okay, let's just make this particular WhatsApp to be a link. God. Okay. So if we highlight this particular thing now, that's why I don't like using all this here now. Contact us on WhatsApp. I don't like using all this phone for important something like this. Okay, let's just come here and give it a link and say https me slash 234. You know how you can put your number. This is not my number. I just want to put it there. So, and it will automatically generate everything for us. Sorry, WhatsApp. Okay. Now let's save this page. Let's publish this. So we continue from here. So let's just publish. We have actually created what? Created the about us page. Let's click publish and click confirm. Once we are done with it, it has actually got created and we can click on it for view. We can view it. Wait. Are we on the post? Okay, let me just come. This thing supposed to show me view, but let me just, okay, it has shown me, sorry, it's supposed to show me the view. But if you want to copy the link, you can from here copy the link and share to any person. So let me just view the blog, the about us. Sure. Okay, this is what we actually created. If you click this particular thing, it will take you to WhatsApp. It will take you to WhatsApp. I freeze my WhatsApp, so that's why I can't. I will not click it. I freeze my WhatsApp, so no need. So let's just create another one particular page again, which is new page. Let's create a page that we say my products. Sorry, I have cough. I have serious cough, so you guys should just manage me. Wait. What did I even do, sir? All this, I should I be creating all this rubbish post? Sorry, let me just delete all those things. Discard, discard. It was accidental. Okay, sorry. This is the one we have. Okay, let's create new. It's network that is doing all those things. Don't mind me, it's network. New posts. New page, sorry, not post. New page. Oh my god. Let's title it what? My products. My products. Okay, I can come here now. Let me come and import one product. Upload from computer. Okay. First product. I am selling a course on machine learning skitlearn. No, I don't want to come here. Compose view, sorry. I need to go to compose view. Machine learning course. Then I can come and see price. $10. Then media. Oh, okay. Let's say video. You can know other things to add here. Then we come and what? Let's just add the picture here. Okay, let's come. I want to copy this thing now so that I won't type anything back again. Let me copy it. Where is copy? Where is copy? Sorry. Let's copy, paste here. Then in between, let's add a picture. Photo. Let me know whether this fonts I have uploaded is here. Sorry, this is the advantage of what of having. Let me just cancel this and let me upload from my computer. Let's get done here. Okay. Okay. Up here now. Let's just change this into 15. 14. Let's up here upload another one from our computer and don't mind all this picture that is full on my phone. Okay, let me just use this one now. Okay, it has actually uploaded. Hope you know that you can use this particular thing that is here and align your what? Align your image any position, whether it's left, this is left, center, right, anywhere you want it to be aligned. You can use it and align it. So, and under each particular video, I want to just put in some link there that a person can use it and buy the course. Then let's just say tell display is what? Buy now. And here I can put any link. https buyme.com. You know what you will put there if it's your own. Don't go and put buy me. You know, some person be Olodo. They will just go and put whatever things you put there, and the person will be shouting on shouting to people to go and buy, go and buy. I beg, put something reasonable. Okay. Sorry, this video. If I come here now, I can import another link and call it skits learn by me, sorry, and what? https. I'm using https, mind you, one of the words secured link this is https dot what dot com. Then mark this to apply. Okay, it's here. So after we have done all those things, we need to publish this particular thing. So let's just confirm it. And when we have confirmed it, it will publish the page automatically. Let me put it here. So I think we can view it. we can view it as my product page. So machine learning course and all those things. So it's going to be a wonder to you when we're going to convert this thing to what a very beautiful template. It's going to be a wonder to you how the thing will look like. So for now, we're just using the default template. So sorry, I'm drawing this. I don't know where it should be so that I won't touch it. So we have what we call layout. When you click on layouts, you will discover that what this is where you can customize most of your things. That's most of the things that is on your page. That's it. You can customize your page. If I go to layout, let me know whether I can talk about other ones. So other ones, which is theme, settings, read list. Okay, that one is nothing. So you can use your hand and study that particular one. So but here in this particular what's happening? Okay, from here now I want you to come and click this particular theme designer. That's where we start in this particular. When you click the theme designer, it's going to be another page separately. So this is where you can customize your customize your page while seeing it. So I can come here and change this particular. Okay, let me just use this one. Cancel. Let me use this one. Done. Okay, sorry. Let me use this. Let's just take that one and say done. And this is where you save your, after you have done with this your thing, this is where you save it. Let's click here. So when we click here, when we come, let's view our blog. Let's know how the thing is now. Sorry, not giving me any effect. Okay, let's come here and advance. So here in advanced, let's just talk about advanced before we can actually do that thing again. Here now, let me just talk here. Here is where you can actually change the color of your what. Then this is the size of your text. If you come here, you can what? You can input how you want your text to increase. That's the text on your page. As you can see, it has decreased, it has increased, which is 22. If I say 29, it will increase. If I type this thing, it will increase. Sorry, I think my network does not allow it to do automatically. Okay. So I need to be cutting this tutorial so that everything can be going on well. So let's just operate other ones. So this is the what? This will actually ask you the color that you want to give your text. This is the what is called link color. Link. Your link. That's the way. What color do you want your link to be? By default, when a person has visited your link, when a person is hovering on your link. So all these things are here. So the title font is what title would you like to give this particular thing? I mean, what font size do you want to give this particular thing? You can try all those things, please. Just try it. Right. I want to just get done with this particular place. I have done the main thing actually. That's I have done most of the things. So featured posts, uh, your header. Okay. This is your search. This particular thing that is here. Sorry. This thing that is here. If you want to customize it, this thing that is here. What's actually happening? So this thing that is, if you want to customize it, this is where you can actually give it a color or the size the thing should be. If you change the size, let me just click on this, save. Let me know whether the thing can reflect everything, most of the things that I did. Let me know whether it actually reflected. Okay, as you can see, the size increased, the size of the text increased. So, and also, let me just come here and do the main thing, which is, let's just talk on what the link, the color of the link. So the color of the link now is actually red. I want to make the color of my link to be what? To be green. That's when my link is at default, let it be green. When a person has visited my link, I want it to be red. So when a person is hovering on my link, I want it to be purple. I don't know whether it's purple or violet. So anyone it is, that's okay. So the blog title, I want to increase the blog title to 29. So the blog title color, I want to just make it to be is it pink? Pink is okay. I don't know what is pink. Okay, this one is pink. Okay, let's just save this thing. When we save it, we can come and view it here. So as you can see, our link is now green. When I hover on it, which is the purple, is it purple or violet that I choose? When I click on it, then come back, you discover that it has turned to what? It has turned to purple. It's no more green. So likewise, if we do for other pages, so as you can see, the thing is green, and as you can see all those things. So this is it for you. So you can just do some more this customization here. And let me just come here and try again. Let me try again our background. And what? Okay, I want to use this one. Let's try this one again. Okay, let's see. Save. Let's know whether it's reflecting. Okay. Well, let's just leave this thing for now. We are going to see this particular thing in what? In another place. Let's come here, click this thing. Let's go back to our layout. So remember, we come to this layout. We came to this layer, sorry, and we click on this theme designer. So, but from here now, we can actually manipulate still our what? Our that side without what? Without using the theme designer. That's when we get here, we can actually change this thing to what? Binary coding. Let me just put the capital letter and there separate this thing. So I can put the description, learn about coding, and there basics. I can change the what? I can change the image. That's putting the image that we what? That will align to that particular. Come on. I don't like using this thing to do all these things. Don't like using it. Okay. Image uploaded successfully. Let's just save this particular thing. That's we are talking about here. Binary coding, which is here. So if we refresh it, it's going to change and it's going to have our image, which is what we gave it to. So this image is so weird as anything that is in the world. As weird as anything. I don't want this kind of image. I don't want it. And I don't have a new one that I can use actually. So let me just try to find if there's anyone that I can use. that. Let's leave it like that. Let's cancel this. Okay, if we come here, this is the what? The top gadget. This is where we can what? Where we can our menu. So here is what, in case you want to what, you want to link different of your pages. When you come to a website or you come to a website like Facebook, you will see what menu which contains what different links to what, to different pages. This is where you can do it here. So when you click that particular what, that particular what they call it, just here now, when you click here, which is what, page top lists. When you click it, it's going to what, it's going to show you all those things. So what you have to do first is to what, click on this thing. When you click on it, that's show this widget, and I can type, I can say what, website menu. So this is the first menu, which is the home. You can add other ones. Then about us, the about us we created is actually is automatically generating. Okay, products, my products. So this is here. Save. Come on. So I can click save. When I click save and I come here and I click what, save. Okay, it has saved. Okay, your change has been saved. When I come here and refresh this particular thing, you will discover that what, this is it. It has appeared here. Website menu. When you can what, when you can migrate to what, about page. This is about page we created. We can migrate to what, my product page. This is my product page we created. So all those things are here. So this is it. That's where you can put all your menus. So that is what you can do with this particular place now. This is website menu. Let me just come here. I need to delete this kind of thing. It's not good at all with me. So by default, the thing is what is inactive until you go and activate it by clicking on what, show this widget. So here you can you can create different what, my featured posts, all those things. That's we have what is called popular post, featured post. Let me just type this particular thing, popular posts, and save it. So mind you, you can use this thing and be what, uploading your videos in case you have videos that you want to be uploading on what, you want to be uploading to this particular site. You can be uploading videos here and people will go and be watching the videos in this particular place. So, and it will not be on your what, the storage is what, is Google storage, not on your systems. This is popular post here. That's showing me that there's one that is called popular post and all that. So you can name it anything. I'm just trying to round up. Here you can manipulate everything that is here. Popular post. Okay, you can come here and type this one as what. Okay, let's just say past post. So that one is when your post lasts for what? Lasts for the last what? The last year. Okay, let me do it like this. Oh God, I have actually clicked on save. You can determine whether the thing should be a post that has lasted for 1 year, that has lasted for 7 days, that has lasted for 30 days. I have done my own. I think it's last 7 days. So once the post has lasted for last 7 days, it will migrate from what, the popular post, and come to what, come to past posts. So that's how the thing is. I don't have any post that has last for 7 days, so I will leave it. It won't appear. It won't appear. I promise you. So let me just say binary coding. Click on save. Okay, let me view from here. Come on, come on, come on. Let me view from here. Let me see most of the things I have done, the effect it has actually done with all these things. So this is our copyright that we have actually shown here, and all that and others. So having done all these things, you can use your hand and check about all those ones. I want to call this tutorial. You can use your hand, do it, go and check what is doing there. I want to call this tutorial short because I don't want it to be long. Many persons cannot be able to what to do or get all those things. So do it yourself. Check the effect. This place now, this report abuse is where you can what, where you can get a link, or you can actually remove this particular link. So the get abuse or report abuse is here. When a person comes to what, comes here and clicks this particular page, the person can report your what, report your page to Google in case he sees anything that is what, anything that is not good on your page. So having done this particular thing, I want to what, I want to show you one thing. So you can customize it using this particular place, but what, there's a place we call theme. In your theme, that's where you can what, you can import already existing customized templates. That's the one that a person has actually finished doing and what is there waiting for you to use. So but the most fantastic something about what you have learned so far is that what, even though the theme is there, you can still customize that theme. That's when you import a theme, you can still customize it to your taste. So that's one of the, that's why I started from what, I started from that particular level and get you to this particular level. So that what, if I had shown you the theme before, you will what, you will leave all those things and choose the theme, which is not okay. So we have theme, we have both sellable and not free themes. The one that you can buy and the one that is what is free. The one that is free, it can be used by any person. The one you can buy and it's only you that is using it. That's the difference. So what I'm going to show you today, free theme. So sorry, I need to know what I will do to my website. Start operating nice. Okay, let's click on theme. So if you come here, discover that all these things are themes that are available for you. So any theme that you like here, you can select any of this theme that is here. And so far I'm doing something that is tech related. I will choose this one. This one is doing me tech somehow. When you choose it, it's going to ask you to apply. You click apply and say got it. Okay, my theme is applied successfully. If I come to this particular place now and what, refresh this place, it has actually changed automatically. Binary coding. What the heck is this? Sorry. Which kind theme it is now? Let me go and choose another one, I beg. I don't understand that kind theme. Let me choose this one that looks okay for me somehow. It's asking me to download theme. Wait. I didn't click apply, I think. Okay, let me download. Oh God. Where am I downloading it from? Is it on my? Okay, let me come and use another one, please. Okay, let me just use this one. You can do customize, you can do apply. Let me apply first. Download theme, keep backup. Okay. Sorry, I didn't know that all those things are actually okay. It's applying now. It's applying. Sorry. I needed to skip that backup. Sorry. Even that particular one, I needed to skip it. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? As you can see, the thing has actually applied on my page, and I like this particular one. Wait, wait. Okay, okay. Let me come and check whether this is applied. Okay, now it's applied. It's applied. So as you can see, it's that theme that is working here. Then about coding and all that. So this is how you can choose theme. You can choose this one. You can choose any theme that you want here, and the thing will start manifesting on your page. This is the one that I've chosen now. As you can see, I think this one is more okay with me. I like black like tomorrow notice. So this is how you can do all these things. So thank you for watching all this tutorial. So I hope you will try all these things so that you can follow up with in our next class. Create something that is reasonable. Sorry, I want you to create something that is reasonable so that what a person will come to what your blog and understand what you are trying to say, not just creating anything anyhow. So thank you.